And so many times for a lot of young people or early stage builders, you are pumped up with vision, you are pumped up with ambition, there is that drive. And so you want it to happen now. You want results to happen immediately. When it's not happening, it's as though, why is it not happening? You become impatient. But what happens is, what vision does to you is that it gives you such a vivid image of possibility. But possibility is not actuality. And when you see possibility, it is very easy for you to now start to think that because I see it, it should be like that now. And you get blinded to see your own deficiencies and your own necessary gaps to close on the journey to get there. So for many persons, your issue is not even that, oh, why are people not giving me the attention that I need? You likely are not good enough yet. And it's not an insult. There are a whole lot of conversations around imposter syndrome, for example, online, deal with imposter syndrome. This whole, your nervous system, believe it, you can have it, all of those things. Listen, and I've said it here time and time again, some counsel, they are foolish for where you are. They are not useful for you, because it will keep enabling your ignorance instead of it to point you to your own insufficiencies. So sometimes it is not that, oh, you are yes, I've prayed to God, I've done this, why don't I have this result? Maybe you're not good enough yet. Maybe you're not good enough yet. I had a conversation with someone and we're talking, oh, I want this, I want this, I want this. I love to speak with people who have big dreams, big visions, because their energy is, I want to, this is the result I want to have. I don't know why I'm not having this. And after speaking, one of the things you do in strategy is you try to really understand every context that is relevant to the situation on ground. And so after I said, wait, do you want the truth? She said, yes. I said, okay, do you think that I am your target audience? Say you don't know me, you did not reach out to me today for strategy, right? You didn't book this call. Am I your target audience? And she said, yeah, that. And I said, good. I will not buy from you. No, it's not an insult. I won't buy. If I am your target audience, what you are delivering is very subpar to what I would want for myself. Your presentation is inconsequential to how I place myself. Your delivery and your mastery is not at the level that I can buy from. So if I am your audience, you're not ready. You're not ready. So a lot of times, and this is one of the dark sides of religion. The idea that, you are the best thing after sliced bread because Jesus Christ died for you. Newsflash, you're not. You're not. It's one of the reasons why you see Christians who are excellently mediocre, but they speak in tongues on top. They rababa on the nonsense that they are producing. So you are in an environment, and because you pray, and God has given you a word that this season is your season. People in that office that are more competent than you are, they should leave them and give you promotion. It's not possible. It's not possible. So a lot of times, even when you hear, oh, imposter syndrome, you need to build confidence. See, it's not a feeling. At a certain level, imposter syndrome is not a feeling. It's a reality check. It is actually telling you where you need to grow. It's telling you where you've not built enough evidence. It's telling you where you've not stacked up enough reps. You only feel like an imposter when it's one of two things. You've not done it enough, or you are not aware that you've done it enough. Because it's possible to have done it enough. You may be good, but you are blinded to your efficiency and your competence because you don't have any system to truly appreciate what you've done. But you don't feel like an imposter. It's a reality check. What's it pointing out to you? Maybe you're not good enough yet, and it's fine. Oh, nobody bought this. Maybe the product is shitty. Maybe your process of getting clients or getting customers is non-existent. Maybe you don't understand what the market needs because you think that, oh, I built something and it's cool. Nobody buys stuff because they think you think it's cool. And nobody invests just because they like you. I hope you know. The liking you is really the differentiator in a sea of every other person doing the same thing. So if person A, person B, for example, Mr. Joshua, who is a painter, let's say Nkechi is also a painter. Now, if I like Mr. Joshua, even if Nkechi's price is a little lower, because I like Mr. Joshua, I'm going to likely buy from him. But if his work is shitty, I can like you, but I will not indulge in that shittiness. I won't indulge in it. Do you understand what I'm saying? So even for some of us, we don't even have people in our lives that can really tell us the truth. That right now, this is a gap. Right now, you need to work on this. Okay, yes, you communicate well. You're doing good. But if you say you want to communicate at a high level, you want to be a global speaker, that's not going to fly. Do you understand? That's not going to fly. And whether or not you have those kinds of people in your life, because many times, and this is another pitfall we tend to experience when you're building. Many times we attach ourselves to people who are performing building because we too were performing it. So we are clapping for each other. Nice one, right done. But two of us were doing nonsense. We don't know what we're actually doing. So nobody can tell the other person, what exactly are you really doing? What's this thing you're doing? What's the goal?